Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you all the box accessories with which Xiaomi 13 device comes. So let's first open the box. Okay, let's check first this box. This is the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick. Also the Xiaomi original charger brick with all of the specs. Let's just check this paper box. So this is the SIM eject tool, and also get here some paperwork like the quick start guide, warranty card, and the safety guide. And also one more thing, we get here the protective case, the silicone one in clear color. Unfortunately, we have not here just any earbuds, so you should buy them separately if you want to use them. And here we can see that this is the all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.